Hey guys, Hardy here from eComHardy.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get extra 20% off on any hosting plan with this code. Let's get started. I am on eComHardy.com, of course, but if you go to browser and search for eComHardy.com/hostinger and enter, it will take you to my affiliate link where it will show you that you will get 20% discount on any hosting plans, which is great, right? So simply click to claim deal and you will go to this page where you can choose the plan. Of course, if you're starting the new e-commerce business, then I would go with lower plan. Premium plan would be enough. But if you are very serious about your business and if you are planning to, grow faster, then go with business plan because it's not much difference, only $1 per month difference with discounted price. So I would highly suggest to go with choose plan if you're planning to go with more than a couple of hundred products on your e-commerce store, and make sure your store remains faster. So go with this plan, choose plan. It will take you to the next page, which is cart page. So here is the period, 48 months period. If you select with 48 months period, it even go more discount price, which is only $2.63 per month. Very low, right? But of course, many people will say, I don't want to stay that long, or I'm not sure if I can stay more than 12 months. So simply go and select 12 months and it will come back to the initial discounted price, which is $3.59 per month from $13.99 per month, which is regular price. So be mindful. After 12 months, it will come back to $13.99 per month price. So make sure you choose the period wisely. And once you select, simply check out on the right hand side panel here. So 12 months plus daily backup is 0 because for first 12 months, it's free of cost. Amazing. You also get the free domain as well. So if you're planning to purchase the domain name, you don't have to go to Namecheap or any other places. You can buy the domain name directly from here for free of cost with this plan. Also, setup fee is completely 0. No need to pay any setup fees, and domain privacy protection is also included with this plan. And you just have to pay $43 only, because with my referral link, you even get further $10.78 discount if you choose to go with 12 months plan. Or if I go to 48 months plan, even the discount is go higher, and I'm paying $126.34 for 4 years. So if I go to 1 year, it's $43. So let me take out my calculator, and if I see 43.10 times 4 is 172.40, whereas here, if I select with our referral link, it's only 126.34. Amazing deal. So don't miss out this deal if you're planning to switch your hosting or if you're planning to buy new hosting. Now, you might say, what if I go without your referral link? Of course, you can go and purchase the plan directly from the hostinger. You don't have to go with my referral link. Two things will happen. First of all, you will lose your referral discount here. And second thing is I will lose my referral money, which helps me to make more videos on this channel. But anyways, it's your choice. So if I go to the new private window and if I search hostinger.com, no referral code, direct to the website. And if I go to pricing page, simply select the same plan as before, which is the business plan. And you see here, you lose your discount. If you choose to go with 48 months, which is $157.92, you have to pay, versus you have to pay only $126.34 with my referral link. Plus, I get small commission as well. So choice is yours, but this is how you can save more money with hosting a plan. So feel free to check it out, eComHardy.com/hostinger to get the discount code. You can also check out the link given in the description below. Just click on that link and go to the referral link directly and purchase from there, and you will still gain the discount. So hope you will enjoy the discount. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for supporting my channel. Feel free to thumbs up to this video and subscribe to the channel if you are here for the first time. Until next time, see you. Take care. Bye-bye.